In today's video, I'm going to teach you two effective methods for importing Excel files into Google Sheets. Whether you're looking for a one-time import or a streamlined process for regular conversions, I'll guide you step by step to ensure a smooth transition from Excel to Sheets. First, let's dive into the direct import method using Google Sheets itself. Begin by opening either an existing Google Sheet that you're working on or create a new Google Sheet for this process. Once you have your Google Sheet ready, you'll want to navigate to the top menu bar. There, you'll find the File option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Import. This action will bring up a few more options, and you want to choose Upload next. Now, it's time to upload your Excel file. A window will appear, allowing you to choose the Excel file you wish to import. Select your file, and then decide how you'd like to integrate it into the Google Sheet. You'll have a few options here. You can either import it as a brand new spreadsheet, insert it as a new sheet within an existing Google Sheet, or completely replace the current sheet with your Excel data. This flexibility gives you the freedom to manage your projects in a way that suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click Import Data. Your Excel file will now be part of your Google Sheet, allowing you to work with the data using the powerful tools and collaboration features that Google Sheets offers. Now, let's switch gears to the second method, which is perfect for those who frequently convert Excel files and are looking for an automatic solution. This method leverages Google Drive's settings to convert your files for you. To start, head to your Google Drive. In the upper right corner of the Drive interface, you'll see the Settings gear icon. Click on this gear to open the Settings menu. Within this menu, look for an option that reads Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format. You'll want to ensure this box is checked, as this setting enables automatic conversion of your files. After checking the box, click Done to save this setting. With this configuration in place, anytime you upload an Excel file to your Google Drive, it will automatically convert into the Google Sheets format. This method is a real-time saver for anyone regularly handling Excel files and wanting seamless integration into Google's ecosystem without the need for manual conversions each time. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Excel to Google Sheets imports with ease, enhancing your workflow and saving you time. Whether you choose the direct import method for individual files or opt for the convenience of automatic conversion, both options ensure your data is readily available for whatever you need to accomplish. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.